In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all in Google Sheets. Being able to select an entire spreadsheet quickly is super useful, whether you're formatting a whole sheet, clearing data, or copying everything to another file. Instead of dragging your mouse across hundreds of rows and columns, Google Sheets gives you a couple of simple ways to select all the cells at once. In this video, I'll walk you through both methods and give you a bit of context so you know when to use each one. Let's start with the quickest option, using a keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows or using a Chromebook, you can select all by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Make sure your cursor is somewhere inside the sheet first, then press Ctrl and the A key together. When you do this, every cell in your current sheet will be highlighted, showing that everything is selected and ready for whatever action you want to take next. If you're using a Mac, the shortcut is almost the same, but you'll use the Command key instead of Ctrl. Click anywhere inside your sheet, then press Command+A. Just like on Windows, this will select the entire sheet in one go. This shortcut is especially handy if you like working quickly without taking your hands off the keyboard. Now, if you prefer using your mouse, there's another very simple method built right into the Google Sheets interface. Take a look at the top left corner of your sheet. Where the column letters at the top meet the row numbers on the left, you'll see a small blank square at that intersection. This is the Select All button for your sheet. To use it, just move your mouse over that blank square and click it once. As soon as you click, all the cells in your sheet will be highlighted. You'll notice the entire grid becomes selected, from the first column all the way to the last, and from the first row to the very bottom. This is perfect if you already have your hand on the mouse and want a quick visual way to grab everything at once. Both methods do exactly the same thing, so it really comes down to what feels more natural to you. Use the keyboard shortcut when you want speed and the corner square when you prefer a visual click. With these two simple techniques, selecting all in Google Sheets becomes fast, easy, and reliable.